our planet faces a critical challenge. The global population is growing rapidly. We are approaching 8 billion people on Earth. This number is projected to reach almost 10 billion by 2050. This growing population demands a significant increase in food production. However, traditional farming practices are struggling to keep pace. This is where innovation comes in. We need new solutions to feed our growing world. Climate change is another major threat to global food security. Rising temperatures, changing weather patterns, and extreme events like droughts and floods are already impacting agricultural yields. These challenges require us to rethink how we grow our food. We need resilient and sustainable farming practices that can withstand the impacts of climate change. Traditional farming practices rely heavily on manual labor, which is becoming increasingly scarce and expensive. The agricultural workforce is shrinking. Younger generations are often reluctant to pursue careers in agriculture. This labor shortage poses a significant challenge to meeting the world's growing food demands. The need for agricultural innovation has never been greater. We need to produce more food with fewer resources while facing a changing climate and a shrinking workforce. This is where the robotics revolution comes in. Robotics and automation offer promising solutions to these pressing challenges. They have the potential to transform agriculture as we know it. Imagine a farm where robots work tirelessly alongside human farmers. This is no longer a scene from a science fiction film. It is rapidly becoming a reality. Agricultural robotics is revolutionizing farming practices around the world. Robots are taking over tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or physically demanding for humans. One of the key drivers of this robotic revolution is the advancement of artificial intelligence. AI-powered robots can now perform complex tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. They can learn from their experiences, adapt to changing conditions, and make decisions based on real-time data. The integration of robotics and AI is transforming every aspect of the agricultural industry. From planting and harvesting to weeding and crop monitoring, robots are becoming indispensable tools for modern farmers. These machines offer a wide range of benefits, including increased efficiency, reduced labor costs, and improved sustainability. The adoption of agricultural robotics is still in its early stages. However, the industry is growing rapidly. As the technology continues to advance and become more affordable, we can expect to see even more widespread adoption of robots on farms around the world. This robotic revolution has the potential to address the growing global demand for food while mitigating the environmental impact of agriculture. Let's step onto a modern farm and witness these robotic helpers in action. One of the most common applications of robots in agriculture is weeding. Weeding is a time-consuming and labor-intensive task that is essential for maintaining crop health and yield. Traditional weeding methods often involve the use of herbicides, which can have negative environmental impacts. Robotic weeders offer a precise and sustainable alternative. These machines use advanced sensors and computer vision to identify weeds and distinguish them from crops. They can then mechanically remove the weeds without harming the surrounding plants. Some robotic weeders even use lasers to burn weeds with pinpoint accuracy. Planting and seeding are other tasks where robots are proving to be highly effective. Automated planting and seeding robots can plant seeds at the optimal depth and spacing, ensuring uniform crop emergence and maximizing yield potential. These robots can work much faster and more accurately than humans, reducing planting time and labor costs. Harvesting is another area where robots are making significant inroads. Robotic harvesters are already being used for a variety of crops, including fruits, vegetables, and grains. These machines can identify ripe produce, gently pick it, and transfer it to containers for transport. Robotic harvesters can work around the clock, significantly increasing harvesting efficiency and reducing food waste. Livestock farming is also benefiting from the robotics revolution. Robotic milking machines are now commonplace on dairy farms, automating the milking process and improving animal welfare. Other robotic systems are being developed for tasks such as feeding, cleaning, and monitoring livestock health. Section 4. Farming with Data, Precision Agriculture and the Digital Revolution. The robotics revolution in agriculture is not just about replacing human labor with machines, it is also about harnessing the power of data to make farming more efficient, sustainable and profitable. This is where precision agriculture comes in. Precision agriculture is all about using data to make informed decisions about crop management. It involves collecting vast amounts of data on soil conditions, weather patterns, plant health, and other factors that can impact crop yield. This data is then analyzed to create detailed maps and recommendations for farmers. Sensors, drones, and satellites are key tools in precision agriculture. Sensors placed in the field can monitor soil moisture, nutrient levels, and other vital signs. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can capture images of crops, identifying areas that may be stressed or diseased. Satellites provide a bird's-eye view of entire farms, tracking crop growth and identifying potential problems. The data collected from these sources is then fed into sophisticated software programs that use AI algorithms to analyze the information and generate actionable insights. Farmers can use these insights to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and other crop management practices, reducing waste and maximizing yield. Precision agriculture is transforming the way farmers make decisions. It is moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to farming towards a more targeted and data-driven approach. This shift is helping farmers to increase yields, reduce costs, and minimize their environmental impact. Section 5. Beyond the tractor, other innovations shaping the future of food. The robotics revolution is just one part of a larger wave of innovation sweeping through the agricultural industry. Other groundbreaking technologies are emerging that have the potential to further transform the way we produce food. Vertical farming is one such innovation that is gaining traction. Vertical farms are essentially high-tech greenhouses that grow crops in vertically stacked layers, often in urban environments. These farms use artificial lighting, climate control, and hydroponic or aeroponic systems to create optimal growing conditions for plants. Vertical farms offer several advantages over traditional agriculture. They can produce food year-round, regardless of weather conditions. They require significantly less water and land than traditional farms, and they can be located closer to urban centers, reducing transportation costs and emissions. Another promising innovation is agrivoltaics, which combines crop production with solar energy generation. Agrivoltaic systems typically involve installing solar panels above crops, allowing farmers to generate renewable energy while still growing food on the same land. The solar panels provide shade for the crops, reducing water evaporation and protecting them from extreme heat. These are just a few examples of the many innovations that are shaping the future of food. From lab-grown meat to gene-edited crops, the agricultural landscape is undergoing a period of rapid transformation. These advancements offer exciting possibilities for addressing global food security challenges and creating a more sustainable food system.